Audio Jungle.
Hi, it's Gloria Valvasori from Better Homes and Gardens, along with my partner, Chad McMahon.
Hey guys.
Today we're going to talk about a very important topic, financing pre-approval.
Great part about financing pre-approval, guys, is that if you go to your bank or your lender and do get pre-approved, you get locked in at that rate for anywhere from 90 to 120 days. So if their bank rates do go up, you're locked in at that sweet rate. If they go down, you get to go down as well. So it benefits you throughout. So it pretty much just keeps your mind at ease.
Exactly. Another great reason to get a financing pre-approval before you go house shopping is that so that you won't be disappointed when you find the house of your dreams only to find out you can't afford it. You need to have that pre-approval in place to know exactly how much money you have to spend before you go shopping. Another great reason to have a financing pre-approval is if you find yourself in a competing offer situation, you can call your mortgage agent or broker, tell them about the situation, and they can tell you whether you can safely remove that condition from the offer, making it more attractive to the seller.
Fantastic. So there you go, guys. There you have it. Financing pre-approval, Coles Notes version, nice and sweet. Gloria and I are always trying and vying to be better for you. If you have any questions or anything you'd like us to cover in our upcoming webisodes, please just give us an email or a call. When you're buying a home with us, you're not just buying a home, you're investing in a lifestyle. It's been a pleasure. We'll see you soon on our next webisode.
Thanks for watching. See you soon.